Hello, my name's Ron Mullet, and I love woodworking. I've been working wood for 40 years as a hobby. I retired 4 years ago, so now I have a lot of time to spend in my shop. I've built everything from tables to chests to jewelry boxes to dining chairs. I want to share with you my love of woodworking. I'll take you along on complete builds. I'll show you some tips and tricks I've learned along the way. I don't have a joiner, but I'll show you a great way to make boards square and flat. I love using rough sawn hardwoods. It's less expensive, and I can make it whatever dimension I need, including veneer, for any project I'm building. Check out my website for some examples of my work. My channel is new, so please like and subscribe and follow along.